want to go over number 5, 6, and 7 on this review over 7-5. All right, so I started number 5 for us, and basically, if you know what you're doing, you can just see if you have the right answer. But if you don't know what you're doing, then this is just another little explanation for you. Okay, so first I divided by 3. That's where my 27 came from. Now I'm ready for the fraction exponent, the reciprocal, remember. So flip it over. So that's 4 over 3. You have to raise both sides to it. The 3's and 4's cancel. Shoop, shoop. All you're left with is x plus 3 on the left side. And the right side, you have to go around the world. We're taking the cubed root of 27, and we're raising it to the 4th power. We do not need a plus minus because we are not taking an even root. The cubed root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 makes 27. And then I'm raising that to the 4th power. And 3 to the 4th, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. And then to get rid of addition of 3, I do the opposite and subtract. And that makes 78. And there's my answer. Okay, number 6. I started this one. So the first thing we do is we add the 4. And then I'm ready right now for the reciprocal exponent, which is 3 over 2. So I raise both sides to that. Shoop, shoop. That just leaves x on the left. And I'm ready to go around the world on the right. So this is telling me to take the square root of 25 and raise it to the 3rd. And this one, I need a plus minus because I'm taking an even root. And when you take an even root, there's a plus minus. So the square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Don't forget the plus minus. And then I need to raise that to the 3rd, which is a plus minus 125, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 125. And then since x is by itself, I'm done. All right, number 7. I started this one for you. I got rid of the 2 by dividing by it. That's where 12 divided by 2 gave me the 6. And then to get rid of a square root, I square. So I square the left side, which means I square the right side. On the left side, the squared and square root cancel, leaving 5x plus 1. And on the right side, 6 squared makes 36. So then at this point, I'm just doing a little 2-step equation. To get rid of addition of 1, I subtract it. So the 5x comes down. 36 minus 1 makes 35. And to get rid of the 5, I would divide. So I divide both sides by 5, and I get 7 for an answer. Okay, what I'm asking for you to do for me today is I have a little Canvas quiz posted on the Canvas calendar. So you'll go to today's date on the Canvas calendar and you'll see a little Canvas quiz to take. You will definitely need a piece of scratch paper so you can work these problems off to the side. As you'll notice, all these problems require quite a bit of work, okay? So your Canvas quiz is multiple choice, which is great, but you need to make sure that you work the problems too, okay? So you have a little Canvas quiz to take. It's posted on your Canvas calendar. Make sure that you have a piece of scratch paper or something to work your problems. And then once you're done with that, you're done with me. All right, thank you. Smiley face.